Hello, Mary. Good evening. Hi, Mary. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Very good. Okay. How are you today, Mary? How are you today?
mm,
How are you today, Mary?
good.
Very good. Okay, so last Wednesday, I think that was yes, last Wednesday, we learned about family members and a family tree. Okay, do you know or can you still remember what is a family tree? Okay, a family tree shows our family. Okay, who are the members in our family? From our grandparents, okay, down to our cousins and other things. So let's look at this one. Oh, what happened? Why is it so blue? Oh, okay, like this one. So let's look at this family tree. Okay, so who is the name of your let's focus on your mother's side. Okay, so how many sisters does your mother have, Mary? Hello, Mary.
Sir,
Okay, how many sister does your mother have?
I don't have sister.
Your mom.
My mother don't have sister.
Okay. How about brother? Does she have a brother?
No, no,
No, okay.
no,
What about your dad? Does he have a sister or brother? Does your dad have a brother? Yes or no?
no.
No. Okay. Now, it's gonna be hard because there's you don't your oh, do you have an aunt?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So is your aunt the sister of your mom or dad?
No, no, no.
Okay. Now let's look at this one. Tell me the name of your grandma and grandpa from your mother's side. Name of your grandma and grandpa, Mary. What's the name of grandma and grandpa? Do you have grandma and grandpa?
Yeah.
Hello, Mary.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, do you have grandma and grandpa?
Yes.
Very good. What is the name of your grandpa? Yes, Mary, what's the name of your grandpa? Lee. Okay. What about your grandma? Ken. Okay. Now, how many children does grandma and grandpa have?
Ma, ma.
How only?
Yes.
How many?
One.
Only one. Okay, so look, grandma and grandpa have one child. Okay, what's the name of their child, Mary?
Three.
What's the name of their child?
Three.
Hello, Mary. Lynn. Okay,
Teacher.
very good. So look, Lynn. So who is Lynn? Is this your mom or your dad?
My mom.
Nice. Okay, so look, your mom got married to your dad. Okay. So they got married. Then how many children do they have? What's the name of your dad, please?
Um, four.
Yes, Mary, what's the name of your dad? Dung. Okay. So Lin and Dung, they have children. How many children do they have?
Two.
Two?
Yes.
Okay. So let's look at here. Let's put here. Okay, so what are the name of their what are the name of their son and their children? Okay, we have Mary. Okay, let's put here Mary because Mary is you. So what's the name of your sibling? What's the other kid of Lin and Dong? Okay, let's see. Ngok. All right. Do you have an aunt or does your father have a sister? Yes or no?
Thousand after.
Okay. Look at father. So what's the name of who is your father here? Dong is your father, right? Okay. Does Dong have a sister?
No. His young brothers.
Just brother?
Young brother.
Say that again, please.
Mm.
Okay. What is the name of your aunt? Van. Who is Van? Is
Um,
it a woman or a man?
teacher.
Mm-hmm.
My dad have a younger brother.
Oh, you have a younger brother. Very good.
No,
Is
my
Ngok?
dad, my dad, my dad, my dad.
Okay, what about mommy? Does mommy have a younger brother, sister, or what?
No.
Okay, so how many brother does daddy have?
Oh, what?
One. Okay, what's the name? What's the name? What's the name of dad's brother? Hello, Mary.
Teacher.
Okay, what's the name? Let me see. Tao. Okay, so let's put it here. Tao. Okay, is
This
your
one.
Uncle Tao have a
Yeah.
wife?
No.
No. Okay, oh, it's
This.
kind of met. Uh-huh.
No.
All right, so wait a minute. Like this one, let's put it here. Like that. Okay. Now, what's the name of your grandma from your father's side?
Hảo. Hảo.
Nam. This is your grandma, right? How about your grandpa? Tao? Oh, the name of your grandpa is still Tao? Okay, let's write it here. Okay, now look.
All right.
So this is your grandma and grandpa from your father's side. Okay, so Grandma Nam and Grandpa Tao have two children. Dong, who is your dad. Tao is your uncle. All right? Then Dong got married. Okay, to Lin, which is your mom. They have kids. Okay, whose name is Mary? This is you. Ngok is your sister or brother. Then look at Uncle Tao. Does Uncle Tao have a baby? Yes or no? Does Uncle Tao have a baby?
No.
No. Does Uncle Tao have a wife? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay. Then you don't do you have a cousin from your father's side? Yes or no? I think no, because Uncle Tao is not married. Okay, so look at this one, Mary. Who is your sibling or brother?
Fifty.
I'm sorry. Say that again, please.
50.
Okay, do you have a brother or a sister?
Sister.
Okay, what's the name of your sister?
Uh,
Ngok, right?
yes.
Okay. So look at the picture. So I'm going to ask you because this is your family tree. Okay, let's focus on Mary. Mary, who is your mother? What's the name of your mother?
Ring. Ring.
Very good. Who is the mother-in-law of Lin? Or who is the mother of Dong? Who is the mother of Dong? Hello, Mary, I cannot hear you.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, who is the mother of Dong?
In. Ah.
It's Nam. Very good. Okay, so who is your uncle? Okay, so your uncle is Tao. So look at this one. This is what we call family tree. So you know the members of your family by the family tree.
Correct.
Okay,
It's
let's
not
look at this
correct.
one. What?
Huh?
What, Mary? Okay, anyway, let's apply. Let's see if you learned something. Okay, look. This is another family tree. Okay, so look and complete the sentence. There is one example. Sue is Daisy's mother. And who is Daisy's father? So look at this one. This is Daisy.
It's
Who is the
Alex.
very good? Okay. So Sue and Alex are Daisy's parents. So who is Daisy's aunt?
Hot. Hot.
Pat. Very good. And who is Daisy's uncle?
Honey.
That's right. Okay, now number 5. Look and complete the sentence, please. 5 and 6.
Mm, May is Jessie first mother and Bill is Tracy Bryce's brother.
Very good. Okay, what about number 7?
Mm, Ben is Daisy's brother and Anna is her sister.
That's right. Okay, and last one.
Eugene and Jen are Daisy cousins.
Wow, perfect. So you understand family tree. You have this one big candy. Okay, what about this one? Pat Daisy's father has got brown hair. Look at
Yeah.
Daisy's Okay, no. Look at the color of his hair. Is it brown? Is this brown, Mary?
Oh,
No, it's not. Okay. So, does he have a long hair? Does he have a long hair?
no.
No. Okay. Does he have a short hair?
Yes.
Okay. Has Daisy's father got curly hair?
No. No.
Yes. Has Daisy's father got straight hair? Hello,
No.
Mary. Okay, no.
No.
Has Daisy's father got a blonde beard?
Yes.
Very good. Does he have a red mustache?
No. No.
Wow. Great. So this is an almost perfect score, Mary. So you got 2, 4, 6, 7 out of 8. Okay. So job well done. I will still give you one big candy for that. So look at this one, Mary. When we say curly hair, it's like this, like that. A hair that is very curly. Okay. When we say straight hair, it's just like this one, like that. That is a straight hair. Just like my hair, it is straight. Okay, curly is this one. So don't be confused with curly and straight hair. Have you got a curly or straight hair, Mary?
Right here.
Okay, listen carefully. Have you got a straight or a curly hair?
Two.
Both curly and straight?
Yes.
Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, now this time you listen and
Hmm.
math. Here it is, Mary.
Listening 37. Listen and draw lines. 1,
How old is your dad?
He's 39.
Where does he work?
He works in a hospital. He's a doctor.
2,
Does your uncle live in a house or a flat?
He lives in a house, like me.
How old is he?
He's 44.
3,
How old is your grandpa?
He's 62.
Does he work?
Yes, he works in the library.
4,
How old is your cousin, Jack?
He's 21.
Where does he live?
He lives in a flat and he works in a cafe.
Does he like it?
Yes, he loves it.
Okay, do you want to listen again or check your answer immediately? Very good. You
Listening
match it all
37. Listen
correct.
and draw lines.
Great job for that one, Mary. So I'm gonna ask you a question. So who live in a flat? Who live in a flat, Mary? I cannot hear you. Oh, I cannot hear you, Mary.
Yeah.
Hi, Mary.
Hello,
Can you hear me?
teacher.
Yes. Okay. Who live in a flat?
Yeah. I don't know flat.
All right. So a flat is like an apartment. Do you know what an apartment is?
No.
All right. So in Vietnamese, this is a flat. Okay, listen carefully. Bằng or apartment.
Apartment.
Căn hộ. Like that.
Mhm.
A flat and apartment are just the same. What makes them different is a flat is used in British English and an apartment is used in American English, but they both mean the same. Okay?
Này.
Flat và apartment đều giống nhau. Điểm khác biệt là flat được dùng trong tiếng Anh và apartment được dùng trong tiếng Anh Mỹ nhưng cả hai đều có nghĩa giống nhau nhé.
All right, Mary?
Yes.
Yeah, so look at Jack's family. Okay, who live in an apartment here? Hello, Mary.
Mhm.
Okay, who
Is
live in
that constant? And
Okay, Jack's cousin and grandfather. What about you, Mary? Do you live in an apartment? Yes or no? Do you live in an apartment, Mary?
no, no, no.
No. Okay. So this time, I want you to listen and match again.
Listening 40. Movers practice test. Listening part 3. Listen and look. There is one example. Kim is telling Mr. Day about her family and what they bought today. What did each person buy?
Hi, Kim. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. I went to the shopping centre today
Who did you go with?
with all my family. My aunt bought a blanket for her bed. It's purple.
Can you see the letter D? Now you listen and write a letter in each box.
What shops did you go to?
First, we went to the bookshop. I couldn't buy a book because I didn't have any money.
Oh dear.
But my cousin bought a really exciting book. I want to read it. It's about a time machine. After that, we went to the supermarket.
To buy some food?
Yes, and we bought some other things too. My grandpa bought a new toothbrush.
Oh, that isn't very interesting. What about your sister?
Oh, we went to the toy shop. She had some money and she wanted to buy a toy.
What did she buy?
She looked at lots of toys. Then she bought a model helicopter. It was the best toy in the shop.
Brilliant.
My uncle was with us too.
What did he buy?
He bought a plant for his living room.
A big one?
No, he bought the smallest one in the shop. But it will grow bigger. It's got red flowers.
How about your mother?
Oh yes, she was there too. She likes shopping. She bought a lamp for me.
Was it for your bedroom?
Yes, I put it next to my bed. I like reading when I'm in bed. My mum always tells me to go to sleep.
All right, so let's see if all your answers are correct. By the way, Mary, okay, her aunt is already in letter D, okay, in the bedroom. So what about her mother? I want you to review your answer for her mom. Okay, so anyway, let's just check your answer because it's already time. So we have here her mom, that's letter B. Her uncle, very good. A, H, and E. Wow. So you got an almost perfect score in here. That's 4 out of 5. Very good, Mary. So for today, you have not two. Two candies and 1 glass of lemonade. Okay, so thank you so much for joining, Mary. I hope you learned something. Bye, Mary.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.